In this lesson, you will learn that when letters are used in a certain order, all standing together, they will create a word. Most words have at least 3 parts. Every word has a beginning sound. Every word must have a vowel. And almost every word has an ending sound. You can read the BA slide. Read it. Ba. Ba. Now, just add an ending consonant sound, and this forms a word. Because this is a complete word and not just a slide anymore, mark the vowel with an X. To do this, click on the vowel, and an X will appear under the vowel. This word is bag. Bag. Read the word with me. Ready? Bag. Bag. Good. What is a bag? A bag is used to carry things. For example, you carry your food home from the store in a bag. Try reading another word with me. First, we'll read the slide. This slide is da. Da. I'll add an ending sound. Then mark the vowel with an X. Now read the word dad. Dad. His dad likes to read. Watch once more. Fad. Fad. A fad is something that is very popular for a short period of time. For example, wearing colored shoelaces was a fad. Now it's your turn. Type the word first and then mark it. The word is fad. Fad. Type fad. Well done. Now mark the vowel with an X. To do this, click on the vowel, and an X will appear underneath it. Good. Now read the word. Fad. Now try this one on your own. The word is gab. Gab. Type gab. Well done. Good work. Now mark. Nicely done. Now read the word. Gab. To gab means to talk a lot. Try this one. The word is dab. Dab. Type dab. Good. Now mark the vowel. Nice work. Now read the word. Dab. A dab is a small amount. For example, you may need just a dab of paint to color the eyes on a painting. As we progress through this program, you will continue to learn to read many words on your own.